top. The shaky drove his Cadillac. He went a cruising down the hill. The wizard was standing on the radiator grill. Shawty don't like it. Rock Casbah, rock Casbah. Shawty don't like it. Rock Casbah, rock Casbah. By order of the prophet, burn that boogie sound. Degenerate the faithful with that crazy Casbah sound. But the better when they brought out the electric camel drum, the local guitar picking dollars, guitar picking drum. As soon as the sheriff cleared the square, they began to wait. The sheriff don't like it. Rock Casbah, rock Casbah. The sheriff don't like it. Rock Casbah, rock Casbah. Now over at the temple, oh, they really pack 'em in. The in crowd say it's cool to think this chanting thing, but as the wind changed direction and the temple band took fire, the crowd got a whiff of that crazy Casbah chant. Shawty don't like it. Rock Casbah, rock Casbah. Shawty don't like it. Rock Casbah, rock Casbah. The king called up his jet fighters. He said you better run your face. Drop your bombs between the minarets down the Casbah way. As soon as the sheriff should put out of there, the jet pilots tuned to the cockpit radio player. As soon as the sheriff was out of their hair, the jet